good morning to all. Today we are going to start the new lesson, cleanliness and good habits. Okay children, what we are going to see about cleanliness and good habits. Shall we start to see children? Okay, what is cleanliness? What does mean by cleanliness children? Cleanliness means keeping our body. Okay, cleanliness means keeping our body, mind and everything around us clean, isn't it? What does mean by clean children? We have to keep our body as well as we have to keep our mind also. Okay, then only we can able to do all the works, isn't it? So cleanliness means we have to keep our body, our mind and everything surround us to be clean. That only said to be cleanliness. In this chapter we are going to see about cleanliness. How we want to be clean. Okay, how we want to be clean in our day-to-day life. That only we are going to see children. Okay, shall we start with that? Then this is a good habit, isn't it? Keeping our body, mind and everything around us clean is a good habit, isn't it children? Yes, it is a very good habit. Any action that we perform regularly as part of our routine is called a habit. Okay, what is it about the habit children? Whatever the action, if you are reading books, if you are writing the homeworks, means daily you have to do that, isn't it? Daily you have to do that. The everyday routine is said to be a habit. If you used to play in the playground, the routine that you used to do daily is said to be the habit. That's your habit, isn't it? So that's only they said here. Any action that we perform regularly, which means by continuously, okay, which we perform regularly as part of our routine, which is mean by daily, okay, which is day to day we are doing the same things, means that is said to be a habit. Okay, that is said to be a habit. Then what is it here children? They talked about cleanliness and also they talked about habit. Okay, what is it about cleanliness? Cleanliness means keeping our body, mind and surroundings should be very clean. Okay, this is very good habit, isn't it? What is meant by habit? What is meant by habit? Any action that whatever we are performing regularly as part of the daily routine is called a habit. Okay, children. What is the spelling of cleanliness and what is the spelling of habit? For cleanliness, we have to spell like what I am pronouncing here. Okay, children. What is the spelling of cleanliness? C-L-E-A-N-L-I-N-E-S-S. Cleanliness. Okay. And what is the spelling of habit, children? See, H-A-B-I-T. Habit. These are the two important words that we have to know here. Okay. Shall we move what and all we have to keep clean? Shall we see that children? Okay. Shall we start to see what it is? Keeping clean. What is the spelling it is? Sorry, what is the word it is? Keeping clean. Okay. What the first picture shows here, children? See, one boy is bathing. Yeah, isn't it? One boy is bathing. So have a bath every day. What is the first step to be clean always as well as daily? What is the first step means? You have to have a bath every day. So everybody should have to bath every day. Okay, that is the first cleaning habit. Okay, second one, what it is? See, one boy brushing his teeth, isn't it? One boy is brushing his teeth. So brush your teeth. We have to brush our teeth every day, in the morning as well as in the night also. Before taking our breakfast, we have to brush it, and also after finishing our dinner, we have to brush it. We have to brush teeth. So only our teeth will be clean always. Germs will not enter into our teeth as well as mouth. Okay, the way of mouth only germs are entering into our stomach, and also it may cause fever, isn't it? So it may cause disease, isn't it? So we have to brush our teeth twice a day. It makes us clean. Okay, it makes us clean. Then what you have to do? What the picture shows children? See, you have to wash your hands. What does you have to wash your hands? clean, as well as you have to wash your hands after eating also. And also if you went for playing outside means after you come to home, what you have to do? You have to you have to wash your hands also. Okay, that is also one of the important thing you have to keep in your mind, and you have to do that. Okay, wash your hands. That was also one of the main parts to keep us clean. Okay, and then what the picture shows here, children? See, trim your nails regularly. What is it, children? See here, you have to trim your nails. You have to trim your nails regularly, at least weekly once. What you have to do? You have to trim your nails. You should not do that, children. You have to tell to your mother to trim your nails regularly. Okay, children, this is what you have to do. These are all the main important things that you have to follow in your day-to-day life. What are the things, children? You have to bath every day, and you have to take your brush twice a day, and also you have to wash your hands before or after eating, and also after playing you have to wash your hands, and then you have to trim your nails regularly. This is also one of the habits. This is also one of the good habits to keep our clean, to keep our body as well as mind clean. This is what you have to do regularly. Okay, children, have you all done this, children? Then shall we move to the next point? Keeping eyes clean. What it is, children? See, keeping eyes clean. What is eyes? See, eyes. You have to keep your eyes also clean. What are all the main important rules or points to follow our keeping our eyes clean? That only we have to follow here. Okay, shall we start with that? See, we see the things around us with our eyes, isn't it? We see the things around us with our eyes, isn't it? We are seeing many beautiful things with our eyes only, so that we have to take care of our eyes, isn't it? So we are going to see now how we have to keep our eyes clean. Okay, children, what are the steps that we have to follow to keep our eyes? See, use a soft clean cloth to clean your eyes. What are the children? See, use a soft clean cloth. Okay, you should not use the hard cloth, children. It may damage your eyes. What you have to use? You have to use a soft clean cloth to clean your eyes. Okay, and then do not rub your eyes with dirty hands. What you should not do, children? You should not rub your hands. See, like this, you should not rub your hands with your dirty hands, because the disease may cause your eyes also. From your hands it goes to eyes, so you should not rub your eyes with dirty hands. And if there are any dirty means, what you have to do? You have to clean it with cold water. Okay, you have to clean your eyes with cold water. That you have to follow. So this is the way of keeping your eyes clean. Okay, the first one is you have to use a soft clean cloth to clean your eyes. The second one is you should not rub your eyes with dirty hands. And also you have to clean your eyes with water, cold water, anything it may be. It is very useful for us to keep your eyes clean. Okay, children. And then we are going to see about keeping ears and nose clean. What it is? The next topic is we are going to see about keeping our ears and nose to clean. Shall we see what it is? We hear with the help of our ears, isn't it? We all hear with the help of our ears only. So we should have to take care of our ears, isn't it? What are the steps we have to follow to take care of our ears? Shall we see? Always get an adult at home to clean our ears with an bud, isn't it? We have a bud, isn't it? So always what we have to do? We have to take care of our ears. We have to call an adult at home and to clean our ears with only earbud. We should not use any sharp things to clean. Okay, we should not use any sharp things like pin or needle or anything, clip or anything it may be. Or you should not use that types of items that able to damage your ears, you should not use that. Okay, the earbuds only you have to use that. Also you should have to use that with the help of an adult. Okay children, that this is the only way to, this is the way to keep your ears clean. And also you can clean your ears by using the clean cloth. The outer part and all you have no, that one all you have to clean with the so that and all you have to clean with clean cloth. Okay, and then about the nose, how we can clean our nose, that only we are going to see. We breathe through our nose, isn't it? We breathe through our nose. Yes, we are breathing through our nose. We all know that. Use a clean handkerchief to blow your nose, or while you sneeze. What it is, while you sneeze or while you blow, you have to clean your soft cloth, children. Okay, then only we can keep our nose also clean. Okay children, and then last one is keeping teeth clean. What is keeping teeth clean? For what purpose teeth is clean? We are chewing our food, isn't it? We are chewing our food by using teeth only. So it is very important to clean our teeth. It is very important to clean our teeth. What are the ways to keep our teeth clean? Brush twice daily. Yes, I already said you, right? You have to brush twice daily and rinse your mouth every time you eat. What you have to do? You have to rinse your mouth every time. So you have to drink some water. You have to rinse it and you have to put that water outside. Okay, that only rinse your water every time you eat, and also use your soft toothbrush. Okay, you have to use your soft toothbrush, then only germs cannot enter into your mouth. Okay children, what we have taught today, we saw about cleanliness, habits, keeping clean, how you have to keep clean, how to take your bath every day, you have to brush your teeth twice, you have to wash your hands, and you have to trim your nails regularly, and we saw about like how to keep our eyes clean, and we saw about how to keep our ears and nose clean, and we saw that how to keep our teeth clean. Next we are going to see about how to keep our hands and legs clean.
Okay children, this is your assignment. You have to complete worksheets 1, 2 and 3 in page number 96, 97 and 98 in book. Okay, this is your assignments children. You have to complete this in your book, and also you have one more activity. That one you have to color the given picture, that is in page number 95 in book. Okay, now we are going to watch an activity. Okay children, watch it. Okay children, we are going to see an activity about cleanliness. Okay, what is it about cleanliness children? Cleanliness means keeping our body, mind and everything around us clean. This is a good habit, isn't it? What is meant by habit? Any action that we perform regularly as part of our routine is called a habit. What we are performing daily? We are brushing twice a day, we are bathing daily, and we are reading daily, isn't it? These are all our regular routine. So these we call as a habit, isn't it? So cleanliness is the first habit. Okay, cleanliness is the first habit that we should be developed, and also it brings good health. Okay children, what we have discussed about this cleanliness? Keeping our body, mind and everything around us clean. See children, what this boy is saying? He is saying, my name is Shyam. I am a healthy boy. I am a strong boy. He is saying about his healthy, isn't it? He is healthy and also he is a strong boy because he is following the good habit. So he is a healthy boy and also he is a strong boy. And see children, here we have a girl, isn't it? What she is saying? My name is Shirley. I am a healthy girl. I am a strong girl. Here also what she is saying, she is a healthy and also she is a strong girl because she is following the habit, isn't it? So she is a healthy and strong girl. Okay children, let me discuss some good habits that our parents and teachers have taught us. Okay, keeping clean. See from this picture what you can see, brush your teeth every morning and every night. Okay, what we have to do? Brush your teeth every morning and every night. It is one of the good habit for cleanliness. And see children, here what this boy is doing, he is bathing, isn't it? So have a bath every day and wear clean clothes. This is also one of the good habit for cleanliness. Next children, what it is? Yes, we have to wash your hands after using the toilet with a soap. Okay, after using toilet, what we have to do? We have to wash our hands with a soap. This is also one of the good habit for what children? Yes, very good. It is one of the good habit for cleanliness. Then here what this boy is doing is washing your hair regularly, isn't it? So we have to wash our hair regularly and comb it neatly. This is also one of the good habit for cleanliness. And see children, here what she is doing. Trim your nails regularly, okay? You should not trim children. Your mother or your father have to do it, okay? This is also one of the good habit for cleanliness. Okay children, so far what we have discussed that brush our teeth daily or twice a day. You have to take every day. You have to wash your hands after using toilets and you have to wash your hair regularly and comb it neatly. Okay, trim your nails regularly. Okay children, and we have discussed about keeping eyes clean, keeping ears and nose clean, isn't it? Okay, this is your activity children. Have you all enjoyed about this? Okay children, we will meet in the next class. Complete your homeworks and send in the WhatsApp groups. Okay, your homework was worksheets 1, 2 and 3. Okay, that you have to complete in your book children. The same lesson we will meet in the next class. Thank you children.